We're going for a quick car wash here in Australia. So ito, parang 5 to 10 minutes away lang sa bahay namin. Yan, papasok ka lang. Tapos, dahil tinatamad kami to do the manual washing of the car, we chose to do the automatic one. You can choose from the prices in there, 12, 14, and 16. May mga difference lang. So you have to enter this area.
Close the window.
You'll see the light that says enter. And then you have to move forward until you see the stop sign. Make sure your car's windows are closed, and then it will start. It will start with I think water pre-soak, and then soap. So spread niya lang yan all over the car. Para siyang robot na doing the rotating stuff outside, and it will cover the whole car. As you can see, that's the first rinse. I think it will thoroughly rinse it. Meron siya sa baba din to reach the tires and under the car. Then it will do the final rinsing. And once it's finished, you will see the light turn white, which means you can exit now. Then we proceed to drying our car manually. After drying the car manually using yung mga wipes, you can do the vacuum and fragrance. But I skip the fragrance because I don't like the smell of these fragrances. Nahihilo ako. So we just did the vacuum for $1. I think $1 is for 2 minutes. And then that's done. That's it na.